We analyzed over 100 visit visa refusals, and here are tips you cannot avoid. Did you know that number one reason for UK visit visa refusal is avoidable mistake? We have helped hundreds of clients turn their refusals into success stories, and today I am sharing those biggest lessons we have learned and how to fix them. If you've been refused, don't worry. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what went wrong and how to make it right.
Before we dwell into today's topic, a quick intro. I am Yash Dubal, Managing Director at AY&J Solicitors. We are an SRA regulated legal 500 firm with over a decade in UK immigration, winning multiple awards, serving 4,000 plus clients and having 1,200 positive reviews. We are here to help you.
Every day we hear from people who applied for a UK visit visa on their own and got refused. But here is the good news. Most refusals can be avoided or resolved with the right approach. And today I'll walk you through the most common refusal reasons we have seen and real life case studies and how we helped our clients overcome those refusals. We have changed the names for those clients for privacy reasons. Let's talk about case 1, which is unexplained case deposit. Let's start it with the story of Andrew. He applied for a UK visit visa but was refused due to what the Home Office called unexplained case deposits in his bank account. Andrew had received a large sum of money as a gift from a family member but did not include the details in his application. The Home Office flagged this deposit as suspicious because they were not supported with sufficient relevant evidence of their origin. For his second application, we worked with Andrew to provide a full financial history, including a signed declaration from his family member, explaining the gift, proof of the transfer, and documentation showing the relationship. Additionally, we clarified his financial circumstances in a detailed client cover letter and emphasized his ties with his own country. His application then, of course, approved, and he successfully visited his family in the UK. The key takeaway here is transparency is the key. Proactively explain unusual transactions and provide evidence to address potential red flags in your financial history. Let's talk about the case 2 of fake documents. Now let's talk about client. Name has been changed. The name, let's call it Bella. She faced devastating 10 years re-entry ban after trusting an agent, which was an unregulated agent, who submitted false financial evidence on her behalf. Bella, of course, received a refusal letter from the Home Office outlining the use of false documents. Under UK immigration rule, applicants are held accountable for all documents submitted in their name, regardless whether they were aware of any falsification. This led to Bella having banned for reapplying for 10 years. We began by filing subject access requests to gain further insight into her case. While subject access requests do not always provide full details, they gave us enough information to identify the key issues in Bella's case. We built Bella's defense by emphasizing her good faith and lack of intent to deceive, supported by evidence of her financial stability and strong ties to her home country. Additionally, we explored legal exceptions under immigration law, including compassionate grounds, and prepared for a judicial review to challenge ban on the proportionality. After careful preparation and presenting her case through proper legal channels, Bella's ban was successfully overturned. However, future visa application will still require thorough documentation to address any lingering concerns related to her previous history. The takeaway here is submitting false documents, even unknowingly, can lead to severe consequences, including lengthy bans. Verify every document submitted and only work with regulated professionals to ensure compliance with the UK immigration laws. To watch our step-by-step guide on how to apply for a UK visit visa safely and confidently, click on the I button or check in the description section below for the link. Case 3 is the income mismatch. Lastly, let's discuss the case of Charles. He applied for a UK visit visa but was refused due to discrepancies between his stated income and his bank statement. The Home Office refused, citing a lack of coherence in the financial documents provided. The discrepancy raised concerns about Charles' financial stability and whether he met the eligibility criteria. Furthermore, doubts were raised about his ability to sustain himself during the trip and his intention to return his home country. What we did, we reviewed financial documents of Charles and identified the gaps. We worked with him to collect verifiable evidence, including detailed employment letters, consistent text filing, and the bank statements that aligned with his declared income. Additionally, we provided a cover letter explaining the past inconsistency and emphasized his strong ties to his home country, including property ownership and family commitments. With this comprehensive documentation and clear explanation, Charles' application was successful. However, we ensured that he understood the importance of accuracy and consistency all his future application to avoid such further issues. Always ensure that your financial documents are coherent, accurate, and verifiable. Key takeaway here is inconsistencies can lead to suspicion of deception, which may result in automatic refusals or even ban. Prevention is better than cure. To improve your chance of approval, here are the key things the Home Office looks for. Number 1, state your reason for travel clearly and provide supporting evidence, example like an invitation letter or hotel bookings. Number 2, show ties to your home country such as family, employment, or property. Third one is ensure your bank statements are consistent and explain any anomalies. Number 4, never lie or hide past refusal. Disclose everything and provide explanation if necessary. UK visa refusals can be frustrating, but they don't have to be the end of your journey. If you have been refused or want expert guidance for your first application, contact our team today for consultation. The link is in the description section below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share with someone who might need it now. Don't forget to subscribe for more expert advice at AY&J Solicitors. See you next time.